Welcome back to Dashcam Idiots, a collection of traffic moments beyond imagination. Drive carefully. One mistake is all it takes.
This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Hey, that's a great ending.
Wow, congratulations. It also seems like they really captured her. Double buried her. Cremated, cremation container, and then a metal box.
5 cloves of garlic.
Wow.
Cigarette was marketed as healthier, consumers would indulge in their habit, which brings us to conspiracy theory number 2.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Their products to keep smokers hooked. Despite denying that cigarettes were dangerous or addictive, tobacco executives poured money into research on how to make them safer. At least that's the story Philip Morris told when they launched Marlboro.
Bro, this guy's just gonna drive off?
Right when we left.
Why is this only lane that was
Oh my God, Jesus.
Oh! Let's go.
This is Manuel Oliver, and I'm thinking way too long.
What the fuck?
Was passed on throughout generations. There could very well be family ties.
Yeah, I rewinded that to make sure I heard that right.
I have been wondering that same thing.
Oh! Okay.
Hey!
Let me call my...
I am on Instagram. So I went to go look at their profile, and this is their bio. Their bio. Whoa! Yeah.
You on point with it. You up there in age, but you still got it.
You're like a YouTube video.
Hey, take it easy, man.
You too, man. Bro, you